Hey Charmers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get the glow using the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and I did this in 10 different places. If you wanna find out where I did it, then keep on watching. So we're gonna go into this Artist Couture. This is the shade Summer Haze in the Diamond Glow Powder that was actually exclusively made for Boxycharm, this shade, and the other one that some of you Charmers might receive in your box. So I'm gonna start in the smaller areas first, and then we're gonna go into the face. So I'm gonna take this detailed brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the powder, and I wanna go something a little bit more simple on my eyes, but with a pop of glitter. So I'm actually just gonna take that highlight and apply it on my eyelids. Ooh, look at that. When you're in a rush, you could also do this, and you have your whole look. Perfect, so that's the first place we're gonna go ahead and apply this highlight. Second place, you can never forget this, is your brow bone. I'm gonna hit it right there. It's just gonna add a little bit of definition. And then when you turn your face, you're gonna see that glow. And it makes a huge difference. I never miss this step when I do my makeup. Ooh. A little crazy. Third place, this one is probably my favorite place to apply my highlight, is in my inner corners of my eyes. This is gonna make my eyes just look a little larger. It's gonna add some pop. Look at that. This side compared to this side. We're on the fourth part of my face where I apply highlight. So I take a little bit on a brush, and I just apply a little bit to my Cupid's bow, just to get that highlight right there. And then we're also gonna get a little bit and dust it on our chin. This will be the fifth place. Now moving on to the nose, which is obviously everyone loves to put highlight on their nose. I love it. I love a shiny nose. Steph B taught me you can never wear too much highlight. So Steph B, this is for you, because I know you love it. Now taking a more fluffy brush, I'm gonna get this and obviously apply my highlight on the top of my cheeks. I love this shade. You can never have too much highlight. You always wanna take it up just a little bit above your brow, just so you kinda get that like half moon effect. You also want to dust it right above your eyebrows. This would be the 8th place, guys. So when you turn your face for pictures or towards the sun and it hits right there, you see the glow. Next, call me crazy, but I love to do this. I actually did this in the last photo shoot we did for March. I got a little bit of the highlight. You can just get it on your finger. And I'm gonna go ahead and glitter up my lips. And there you got some metallic lips. So super cute, super easy. So if you have like a regular lip color, you can just add some highlight on there, and you can tell people you just use a metallic lip gloss, but you didn't, you used your highlight. Next step, you can skip the step if you want, but since I wanna be extra and I like to look very glowy when I go out, I'm gonna apply this on my collarbones, just to give them a little bit of glow. Look at that, glowing. So now that I look like a glazed donut, I'm super glowy. I'm done. These are the 10 places, guys, that I apply my highlight. I love it, and I never miss these steps ever when I use my highlight. All right, Charmers, so this is the finished look. Remember, the 10 different places that I applied my glow. We did the tops of the cheekbones. We did the inner corner highlight, the brow bone highlight. We applied some on our eyelids, the bridge of our nose, Cupid's bow. We also did a little on the lip, a little bit on the chin, the high points of our forehead, and our collarbone. Okay, Charmers, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, Charmers.